Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the interface and Mac. This saves time later. First, connect the sound card via USB-C or Thunderbolt and power it on. Make sure phantom power is off unless needed. Next, install the manufacturer driver if required or confirm class-compliant mode. Once done, open Audio MIDI Setup and set the device sample rate to 44, 100 or 48, 000 Hz, and 24-bit so Garageband and your interface match. This prevents clicks and sync issues when you record. Next, configure Garageband to use the interface so audio flows correctly. You open Preferences, choose Audio/MIDI, and select your sound card as both input and output. This routes incoming signals into Garageband. Make sure buffer size suits the task, lower values for latency-sensitive tracking, higher for CPU-heavy mixing, because latency affects feel and timing. Then create an audio track, pick the correct mono or stereo input, and enable input monitoring, so you can hear and adjust gain before recording to avoid clipping. Finally, set input gain on the interface and perform a short test recording to confirm levels. Aim for peaks near -6 dB to leave headroom. Once satisfied, save your project as a template so future sessions load I/O routing and track settings instantly. If something goes wrong, first restart Garageband and your interface, then verify cables, drivers, and that Audio MIDI setup sample rates match Garageband. If latency or dropouts persist, increase buffer size or try a different USB port to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.